Hey friends, I'm doing a little last minute Easter decorating. I have this chalkboard that has a cute saying from one of our club transfers from last year that I need to clean off. So I'm going to use our mister along with the scraper. You just want to spray some of the water onto the dried chalk paste, and then once it starts to reactivate, you can start to wipe that off. Our scraper is great for getting the bulk of that chalk paste off of there. You don't have to, scrape it real hard. And then I'm going to use our board eraser to get the rest of that chalk paste off and any shadowing that sometimes happens on your chalkboard. So I pulled out this Joyful Easter Blessings transfer, and I'm not sure where my fuzzing cloth is, so I grabbed a microfiber towel to fuzz it a little bit because it's a brand new transfer. And then I realized that my chalkboard was upside down, so make sure you're chalking right side up. Otherwise it's going to be hard to hang up your chalkboard. So once that is all nice and smooth on my chalkboard, I grabbed some of our shimmer paste. I think I have shimmer gold, melon, olive, and splash. That's that blue color. So once I have stirred those up, I'm just going to just randomly put some chalk paste around here. No rhyme or reason, really. I'm just using that that method I used to create that shirt I did a while back. So I'll be sure to link that video in here. But anyway, so I'm just going to kind of spread some of the chalk paste on my silk screen, and then I just decided to turn it sideways, make it easier for scraping. And then I'm just going to pull my scraper along the silk screen, and I'm going to wipe off the excess onto a paper towel because I don't want to put that back in my jars because that's all mixed together. I'm just pulling those colors together. I'm not really mixing them well. I'm just kind of scraping them along, and they'll all kind of, blend into each other. So once you do that, you just slowly pull up that transfer and fix any spots in there that might need a little bit of extra love. And you can see how all of that chalk paste is kind of mixed together in this fun ombre, messy chalk paste colors, which I absolutely love. So once that is all dry, I can hang that up and add that to my Easter and spring decor. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.